Alaska represents one of the most demanding hunting environments on Earth, where equipment choices can mean the difference between success and serious trouble. The massive distances, unpredictable weather conditions, and formidable game animals require cartridge selections that deliver proven performance under extreme circumstances. This video explores the 5 cartridge calibers that Alaskan hunters consistently rely on year after year. We examine the specific characteristics that make these cartridges excel in Alaskan conditions, including terminal performance on large-bodied animals, trajectory characteristics across varied terrain, ammunition availability in remote communities, and proven reliability in sub-zero temperatures. Understanding why experienced Alaskan hunters trust these particular calibers helps hunters everywhere make informed decisions about equipment for challenging environments. Join us as we explore the real reasons behind Alaska's most trusted cartridge selections, backed by practical field experience rather than marketing claims. Number 5. 270 Winchester. The 270 Winchester represents the lighter end of cartridges that experienced Alaskan hunters consider adequate for the challenging conditions they face regularly. Introduced in 1925, this cartridge has built an impressive reputation for flat trajectory and excellent performance on medium-sized game across varied terrain. The 270 excels particularly for mountain hunters pursuing Dall sheep, mountain goats, and caribou in the alpine regions where shot distances often stretch beyond what hunters encounter in more forested environments. The flatter trajectory compared to larger calibers simplifies range estimation and holdover calculations in the mountains where judging exact distances proves challenging. The widespread availability of ammunition means hunters can find cartridges in virtually any Alaskan community with sporting goods access. However, most experienced Alaskan guides consider the 270 Winchester marginal for larger bears and moose, particularly in situations requiring deep penetration through heavy muscle and bone. The lighter projectile weights limit penetration capability compared to heavier calibers when encountering the massive shoulder bones of large Alaskan moose. Some hunters report that the 270 lacks the energy retention needed for reliable performance on game beyond 400 yards, particularly in windy conditions common across Alaskan landscapes. Advantages: the flat trajectory and manageable recoil make this cartridge excellent for mountain hunting situations requiring precise shot placement at extended ranges. Disadvantages: the lighter projectile weights and reduced energy levels make this cartridge marginal for large bears and moose, particularly when deep penetration through heavy bone becomes necessary. Number 4. 308 Winchester. The 308 Winchester brings military-proven reliability and universal ammunition availability to the Alaskan hunting scene. Originally developed for military applications, this cartridge transitioned seamlessly to civilian hunting use and has proven itself across diverse game animals and hunting scenarios. The moderate recoil characteristics allow shooters to practice extensively without developing flinching habits that plague users of harder-kicking magnums. The exceptional accuracy potential of the 308 Winchester in quality equipment gives hunters confidence in making precise shots when opportunities present themselves. The cartridge performs adequately on caribou, Sitka black-tailed deer, and black bears when loaded with appropriate projectile designs for the game being pursued. Modern bonded and monolithic projectile offerings have significantly improved the 308's performance on larger game compared to traditional cup and core designs. However, experienced Alaskan hunters recognize the 308 Winchester as marginal for large moose and brown bears, particularly when shot angles or distances become less than ideal. The moderate velocity and lighter projectile weights limit downrange energy retention compared to larger magnums across the extended ranges common in Alaskan hunting. Penetration through the heavy shoulder bones of mature bull moose challenges the 308's capability, particularly with lighter projectile weights. Advantages: the universal ammunition availability, moderate recoil, and excellent accuracy potential make this cartridge accessible and practical for various Alaskan hunting scenarios. Disadvantages: the moderate velocity and energy levels make this cartridge marginal for large moose and brown bears, particularly when shot placement becomes less than ideal. Number 3. 30-06 Springfield. The 30-06 Springfield stands as perhaps the most versatile and trusted all-around cartridge in Alaska's hunting community. For over a century, this cartridge has proven itself on virtually every game animal across North America and remains the standard by which other hunting cartridges are measured. The widespread availability of ammunition in every conceivable projectile weight and design gives hunters tremendous flexibility for different game animals and hunting situations. From 150-grain projectiles for sheep and caribou to 220-grain heavy bullets for moose and bears, the 30-06 accommodates diverse hunting applications within a single platform. The moderate recoil remains manageable for most shooters, while delivering substantially more energy than lighter cartridges, like the 270 or 308 Winchester. The cartridge performs reliably in extreme cold, where powder performance can degrade in poorly designed ammunition. Experienced guides trust clients with 30-06 chambered equipment, knowing the cartridge delivers adequate performance on moose, caribou, black bears, and even brown bears with proper projectile selection and shot placement. However, some Alaskan hunters consider the 30-06 slightly marginal for the largest coastal brown bears, particularly in close-quarters defense situations requiring maximum stopping power. The trajectory becomes somewhat challenging at extended ranges beyond 400 yards compared to flatter shooting magnums. Advantages: the exceptional versatility with projectile weights from 150 to 220 grains allows hunters to optimize performance for diverse game animals within a single platform. Disadvantages: some experienced bear guides consider this cartridge slightly marginal for the largest coastal brown bears, particularly in close-quarters defense situations. Number 2. 300 Winchester Magnum. The 300 Winchester Magnum represents the point where serious power meets practical shootability for Alaska's most demanding hunting scenarios. This belted Magnum cartridge delivers substantially more energy than standard-length cartridges while remaining manageable for most experienced shooters with proper equipment. The flatter trajectory compared to non-Magnum .30 calibers simplifies range estimation and holdover calculations across the extended distances common in Alaskan hunting situations. The increased velocity drives heavy projectiles faster, improving energy retention at long range and ensuring reliable expansion even after traveling several hundred yards. Professional guides throughout Alaska commonly carry 300 Winchester Magnum equipment and recommend this caliber for clients pursuing large game, including moose and brown bears. Most Alaskan communities with sporting goods retailers stock 300 Winchester Magnum ammunition, though selection may be more limited than common non-Magnum cartridges. However, the increased recoil compared to standard cartridges challenges some shooters and can develop flinching habits that affect accuracy. The longer Magnum cartridge requires longer action lengths, adding weight and bulk to portable equipment. Muzzle blast and report increase substantially compared to non-Magnum cartridges, potentially affecting hearing protection requirements. Barrel life decreases compared to milder cartridges due to higher operating pressures and temperatures. Advantages: the substantial increase in velocity and energy compared to standard cartridges delivers flatter trajectory and reliable terminal performance on Alaska's largest game animals. Disadvantages: the increased recoil compared to standard cartridges challenges shooter accuracy and can develop flinching habits that affect field performance. Number 1. 338 Winchester Magnum. The 338 Winchester Magnum stands as the undisputed king of Alaska hunting cartridges, trusted by more professional guides and serious hunters than any other chambering for the state's most challenging conditions. This powerful Magnum delivers the perfect balance of manageable recoil, flat trajectory, and devastating terminal performance on even the largest Alaskan game animals. The substantial sectional density of 338 caliber projectiles ensures penetration even when shot angles prove less than ideal or unexpected bone contact occurs. Professional bear guides throughout Alaska carry 338 Winchester Magnum equipment specifically for stopping charging brown bears when clients find themselves in critical defense situations. The flatter trajectory compared to larger bore cartridges simplifies accurate shooting at extended ranges while maintaining energy levels that ensure reliable terminal performance. The cartridge performs exceptionally well in extreme cold, with powder charges that remain consistent even in temperatures far below zero. Modern controlled expansion and bonded projectiles in 338 caliber deliver nearly perfect mushrooming while retaining enough weight for complete penetration through the largest game animals. Most Alaskan communities stock at least basic 338 Winchester Magnum ammunition, though selection may be limited to standard hunting loads. However, the substantial recoil challenges many shooters and requires dedicated practice to maintain accuracy in field conditions. Advantages: the devastating terminal performance with heavy projectiles ensures reliable results on Alaska's largest and most dangerous game animals in any situation. Disadvantages: the substantial recoil challenges shooter accuracy and requires dedicated practice to maintain field proficiency with this powerful cartridge.